feel better now?
Stop kicking.
Good morning, guys. It's been a long time since I've made a day in the life full video. So I'm gonna be making a lot more of those from now on, as long as I remember to film, honestly. Day. He finished his breakfast, and now he's waiting for milk.
In the right place to move, in the right place for you. Always stay up all night, watch the neon light. Touch your ones echo numb, heartbeats like a drum. Feed your fantasy, give yourself to me. Stay in this moment, just hold on, hold on. We like tonight, babe, tomorrow it's gone. You and the moonlight is all that I want. It's all that I want. It's all. We can touch the sky, babe. It's a natural high.
Someone's fussy. Hi. So I just spilled my coffee that I just made, and that was upsetting because what happened was I was filming myself making bottles, and friggin' I walked into my own coffee and I didn't notice, and it spilled all over the ground, so I had to make more. Thankfully I did, because the K cup that I chose, it didn't taste too good. It was glazed donut flavored, and it didn't taste anything like it. So the one that I chose just now is the caramel swirl. I'm feeding Eliza usually by like 8 o'clock in the morning, 9 o'clock, right as their father leaves. I usually feed them, but today I'm gonna wait a little bit to feed them because I just have so much work to do, and they aren't really too hungry right now. It's like I'm giving them the bottle and it seems like they don't even want the bottle. So I'm gonna wait like maybe another hour and see if they're gonna eat then. But this is typically like my routine. I wake up, now that they eat solids, I wake up in the morning. Hi, JJ. I wake up in the morning, I make coffee, get the boys something to eat, get the girls something to eat. Hi. And then what else do I do? I put away the dishes like you just saw, make my cup of coffee, take my pills because I still have blood pressure issues, so I take my pills for that. Ooh. Uh-oh, come on. Let me go finish feeding this girl. Don't cry. Don't cry, don't cry. You crying for what? You crying for what? You got a little mouth, a little thing in your mouth. Try to put her to sleep. Okay. Do you guys have plans for Thanksgiving? We're supposed to be visiting my son's my son's godmother. She lives in North Carolina, so we're supposed to be going to visit them for Thanksgiving, I believe. I kind of felt like these holidays came by so quick. Like, don't get me wrong, I don't care that they did because I fucking love the holidays. I feel like I'm at my happiest during the holidays. Because growing up as a child, I didn't really have a great Christmas because my mom was a single mother, so she didn't really have the money for things. So now that I'm an adult, I get to share the happiness with my kids and my husband, and it's a fun feeling. I'm not even gonna lie. So, Jace, why your face look like that? So yeah, I'm looking forward to Thanksgiving and Christmas and everything that's gonna happen this year. This weekend, I think I'm gonna have my husband take my Christmas tree out the closet and see if it still works, if the lights still work. We've had this tree for like going on 3 years. I think we bought it in 2018. I'm the type of person, I don't buy real trees, I buy fake trees because I like to save money. And if I can reuse something, I'm gonna reuse it. So the tree that we had purchased was like an all white tree. I'll insert a picture like right here. And if you've been following me since 2018, when I first started my channel, you'll know like what my tree looks like. So it's like an all white tree with like, it's not all white, it's really green with like snow on it. It has its own lights, I think. I can't really remember. Yeah, I think it has its own lights, and then all we added was balls to it. So this year I wanted to get rose gold balls because of this post I saw on Facebook. And it was like, it said, if you are born in October, try this Christmas idea. So it was like rose gold balls. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that this year. So I'm excited. I think I might do a Dollar Tree haul and like for like Christmas stuff because they don't have any more fall stuff out. And she's sleeping. I don't know if you could see it. She's gone. So yeah, I got her to fall asleep. Emma, I don't think will sleep right away because Eliza was up before her. So I think I'll just go ahead and go get the Christmas stuff and go from there. Is that all of them? With stripes?
It looked like.
That I want, it's all.
I just heated them up, some avocado and pear, so we're gonna go ahead.
I know I'm alright when I look into your eyes. Give it to me, funky, funky, give it to me. Give it to me, funky, funky, give it to me. Yeah, we can touch the sky, babe. It's a natural high. I know I'm alright when I look into your eyes. Yeah, give it to me, funky, funky, give it.
They're all done. This is how much they consumed. I still give them just one plate of food because they are new eaters, so they're very new to solid, so they're not gonna really complete all of these by themselves. So I've been giving them just one until like I see like they complete the whole thing. Hey, 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 hey!
Oh! Why?
Liza. Yeah. My babies. Hi. Hi. Yeah. Hi, guys. Yeah. Oh my God, Hunter, you're on fire. What do? You stop, you drop, and you roll. You gotta roll, you gotta roll. You gotta roll. Oh God. It was a struggle for me just now to friggin' eat some food. So I'm gonna go finish eating and helping Hunter with his homework, go through the Christmas bins, just do what I can until they wake up. You guys, I'm like so tired already. It's only 1 o'clock. I'm fucking exhausted. But this is like, I didn't get much sleep last night. And with today being today and having to catch up on Hunter's homework, and the girls, Emma's already up. And I just told you guys they fell asleep. She's up. And I just had a little sweet thing just now. Some popcorn I just had after I had my lunch. Well, my first meal of the day, I ate at 12. I just finished 2 more homeworks of Hunter's. I think I got like 6 more to do. But I really want to touch this Christmas box. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Take a minute out of my time to do what I want to do finally. And we'll see what's in here. I forgot to tell you guys, I dropped my phone, oh Lord. I dropped my coffee a second time around and I'm like, all right, I can't do this again. Yeah, so I'm in my room, the master bedroom right now. It's a mess, guys, a fucking mess. I found a few Christmas stuff like these. They're still intact. I had these, like, it's been maybe about 3 years since I've had these, and it's still pretty good. You're sitting on a snowman. So I have a snowman in the back there. I found some stockings. I found so much stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and put them up. I don't know how I'm gonna put the stockings, because these stockings are stockings I had when I lived in Jersey, and I have new stockings that my mother-in-law made last year for us. So I actually don't know where those are. So I was probably gonna put those up, but now I don't even know where they are on our door and stuff. So yeah, I have a lot of Christmas stuff here that I actually don't think I need to buy that much when I go to Dollar Tree, whenever that will be. So I'm just gonna go put up right now what I have and go from there. Yeah. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hope it's a good one without any cheer. Oh shit, I almost fell. La 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 la. You're crying. You're crying. What you crying for? Hi, beautiful. Yeah. So, I didn't film the last hour or two, but I was up putting Christmas decorations. Like I said, I had found a bin filled with Christmas decorations that I had in the past. Some I kept, some I didn't keep. Some was like kind of raggedy, like really, really tired. And we all have to go out later today. I'll pick up a few things at Walmart. Or I might just have my husband go do it himself since he's coming from work and he has the car. Oh my God, I'm breaking out. I'm not really too sure what I'm gonna do, but for right now, I can honestly say I'm really tired. I'm sorry if like I didn't have much footage or much to show you guys. I've just been like just doing what I normally do. My day is kind of boring. Like I don't do anything special. I don't do anything cool. I just literally take care of 4 kids, clean up the house, make us something to eat and stuff like that, and pray for the best. Gone. Hey. Oh my God.